What's up, what's up? Hello Philippines, this is Africa's Con and welcome to my channel. Yes, nakita niyo naman, meron tayong dalawang package here coming from, LBC and pinadala to ng Your Collection from Dubai. Pero bago natin buksan guys, I just wanna tell you na inintay ko ito ng 6 to 8 weeks. So, ang tagal and finally, they are here. They're here with me. Umpisahan na natin guys. So, para mabuksan natin, kailangan natin ng magic scissor. Yes, dapat mag-ingat tayo. Yes, bubuksan na natin to guys. Ayan. I don't know what's inside. Yes, we're done with unpacking. Now this time, we're going to check each item. Again, these items comes from our first pack and these 3 items comes from our second bag. Now let's open this one. Yes. But before that, I'm gonna fix this one para naman makita ninyo kung ano yung laman ng ating mga boxes and our tin cans. Yes. So, yes, let's start this one. So, this is bigotti. Yes, can you see that? Oh, what's that? Wow! Oh my god! This is so cool. Okay, so we have here a bigotti watch. Yes, it's bubble wrap. I have to get my scissors. Yes. And be careful again. Yes. There it is, guys. Yes, bigotti. And what's inside? Yes, the manual. Okay, so that's our first tin can. Bigotti. The second one is Daniel Klein. Yes. Oh, this is so cool. Guess what? It's color black. I have to be careful. I might damage the watch. Yes. Okay, there. Can you see that? And again, meron siyang manual. Oh, ang ganda. It's black. It's kind of classic, yes. Can you see that? There, so we have 2 watches coming from our first bag. Oh, sorry. There. Now let's move on. This is another bigotti. Yes, it's tape. Ooh. So there's what's this? This is. It's a concentrated perfume, yes. And there, it's again sealed. Yes, it's a bigotti watch there. How would you like that? It's a Casio watch. Gold color from Casio. Can you see this one? Yes. Now, this time we're going to fit each item, guys. So I have to remove my watch. So I have my Michael Kors. Yes, this is an oversized watch. Yes, let's place it here. So we'll try, I'm sorry. We'll try the first one. So isukat natin to. Ito yung bigotti. Ang ganda nito kasi para siyang kanina akala ko red nung binubuksan ko siya. Pero parang kinukuha niya yung color ng kanyang environment. Yeah. So let's try. Yan. Kung maluwag pa siya. So check natin kung ipapa-adjust natin ito. Let's also try this one, Daniel Klein. Combination of black and gold. So, ganyan siya, guys. Diba ang cute na? And this one, it's from Bigotti. It's a combination of silver and white. Yeah. So, maluwang pa rin. Kailangan natin ipa-adjust kasi I have a small wrist. Ayan siya. And this one from Casio. Okay, ito ang naiba sa lahat ng ma-order ko. Iba yung lock niya. It's the usual thing. How's this? I don't know. Saan ba siya? Wow. Parang masisira ko pa siya. Yes, maluwang din siya. Pero ang cute lang. O, diba? Parang yung MK ko lang din. Pero this is more gold. Ito naman, sakto lang siya. O, diba? Cute. Yes. And lastly, syempre, ito yung pinaka-highlight ng lahat, yung ating, yes, Lacoste. Yeah, it's blue and silver. Yeah. Yes, maluwang din siya. So, lahat sila kailangan ng adjustment. So, yan siya. O, diba? Ang cute lang. So that's it. Thank you so much for your collection. Ang gaganda ng mga items. I really love them. And this time, I'm gonna give you a closer look of each of the items.